ZRGP, founded in 2014, is a green energy storage LFP battery manufacturer and BESS solutions provider, headquartered in Shenzhen. And with a factory in Huizhou, ZRGP has an annual output of over 3 gigawatt-hours. They export to over 90 countries, including the US and Germany. With over 10 years of industry experience, ZRGP has a team of 300-plus employees, including 70-plus R&D technicians, providing high-quality ESS customization and OEM/ODM services. Let's explore how ZRGP creates safe, reliable products to help expand your business. We have the support of a robust manufacturing execution system, MES, throughout the entire production process. The MES is our intelligent production backbone, offering real-time visibility, precise monitoring, and control. It ensures efficiency, traceability, and quality from raw materials to the final product. It also plays a vital role in order management, tracking progress for timely delivery, and customer transparency. So our customers can also visualize their orders through MES and know the production progress in real time. Smart manufacturing empowered by the MES ensures exceptional quality in every product we create.
Our agent workshop is equipped with a total of 16 units of low-voltage agent racks and 3 units of high-voltage agent racks. In addition, we have 7 other agent devices, all of which are from top-tier domestic brands. These industry's leading agent systems are meticulously designed to ensure the highest standards of quality and reliability. In our integration workshop at ZRGP, we bring together various components such as battery modules and battery management systems to create a comprehensive and high-performance system. This workshop plays a crucial role in ensuring the seamless integration of these components, guaranteeing superior functionality and safety. Our integrated microgrid solutions offer autonomous energy storage and management for commerce and industry. The ZRGP is one of the first 3-in-1 integration microgrid technology that features integrated installation and transportation, modular operation and maintenance, intelligent detection and liquid cooling temperature control technology in the world. These critical product features increase efficiency, safety, and adaptability in the market. We can meet customer capability demands ranging from kilowatt-hour to megawatt-hour, combining energy storage systems and smart control technologies. We provide a customer decentralized power grid that reduces electricity costs and ensures a stable power supply. The ZRGP's products are manufactured under stringent quality standards. Our integrated production process strictly adheres to the International Quality Management System, the IATF 16949 standard, and we will attain ISO 9001, ISO 45001, and ISO 14001 quality and management certificates. With these certifications, our factory is well positioned to provide top-notch OEM and ODM solutions, instilling confidence in our partners and customers.
At ZRGP, quality control starts from the beginning of our rigorous incoming material inspection. Ensure that only the best raw material goes into our products. ZRGP's commitment to quality extends our standard operating procedures. Comprehensive SOP work instructions guide every step of our production process. We conduct a thorough first sample confirmation to ensure all components are integrated correctly. This step guarantees that our products achieve stringent quality standards. Our commitment to quality is unwavering. Each product is subjected to strict inspection and comprehensive records for reference and continuous improvement. Our first step is to examine the cell exterior for any damage, ensuring that all cells in a group are identical. We only select cells from renowned manufacturers with whom we have strategic agreements to guarantee quality. Automatic sorting machine. We use an automatic sorter to scan the cell's 2D barcode, measuring its internal resistance and voltage, which we then save to our MES server. The cell sorting instrument we employ ensures automatic testing with high-precision resistance measurement tools. We have set the standard for voltage below 5 millivolts and internal resistance under 2 milliohms, ensuring consistency across cells. We clean the surface of the cell's electrode pillars with a laser, making sure it is free from oxidation and contamination, thus ensuring the quality of welding. We arrange the cell's positive and negative electrodes according to the product structure. While scanning the 2D barcode of each cell, we bundle all cells in a group together, facilitating subsequent product tracking and data management. We use an automatic pre-compression machine, akin to those used in automotive power batteries. After pre-compression, we install end plates and steel rings made from customized SUS 201 steel, ensuring module dimension consistency. We use a high-precision CCD vision inspection device to identify cell module characteristics, check the cell polarity for errors, detect positional deviation, and read the 2D barcode of the cell module. The data is uploaded to the MES, establishing a basis for further station procedures. The information of the cell and the bracket is bundled via MES, which also automatically verifies the quality of products from the previous process. Our brackets meet the flame retardant rating of 94V0, catering to the energy storage requirements of our products. We use industrial-grade vacuum cleaners to clean all weld points. After cleaning, we inspect the quality of all welds and mark them accordingly. We use PCBA instead of traditional wire harness collection, using laser welding to connect PCBA with the cell module. We conduct a check every 2 hours. All electric batches are calibrated for torque to match the fastening value of the screws. We use a torque wrench to ensure that all screw torque values meet the production standard and mark them with anti-loosening lines. The MES system scans and binds the cell module, wire harness, BMS, and casing together. We also affix the product serial number for future tracking of all bound material information and test data. We perform an insulation test at 500V and a voltage withstand test at 1000V, ensuring insulation and voltage withstand capabilities meet the production standard. The test results are imported into the MES system for station management. We use a collection board tester to test the voltage of each string in the module, ensuring that the voltage difference is less than 10 mV. The MES system binds the collection board with the cell module for future tracking. We ensure neat and orderly wire harness. To ensure our product's hardware and features meet quality standards, we conduct automatic testing via ATE equipment, covering 25 test items, including communication ports, software version numbers, voltage, current, temperature accuracy, charging and discharging functions, temperature rise, serial number input, and DC internal resistance, among others. To guarantee product capacity and lifespan, we use high-precision aging equipment. After undergoing a complete charging and discharging aging process, we control battery voltage difference, temperature rise, discharge capacity, and voltage consistency. The MES system saves aging data and automatically determines product qualification. To avoid missing or wrongly assembled parts, all accessories are bound and monitored via MES system scanning. After aging, we conduct another round of ATE automatic testing to ensure our products meet quality standard before shipping. Each product undergoes 2 rounds of appearance inspections. After production personnel checks, quality control confirms, ensuring the product appearance meets quality standards. We prevent mismatches between product serial numbers, box shipping marks, and product labels by automatic printing via MES scanning, ensuring unified and error-free coding. Accessories are also bound with the product to avoid missing parts. We set specific slots in the pearl cotton to quickly identify whether all accessories are present, preventing any missing parts. We scan the outer box serial number and use the MES system to automatically check whether all stations have passed, pushing the product to QA for inspection. We use wooden pallets for safe shipping, avoid packaging breakage and battery damage during a long transportation. Ensure that the goods are in good condition when the customer receives them.